Service in Melbourne, Florida has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County in Central Florida, Osceola County in Central Florida, Orange County in Central Florida, until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service has detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located near Point Siena and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. The other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Kissimmee, Celebration, Orlando, Apica, Lakeland, Kane City, and IE. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm.